So this is the video about traveling on board the 4-bed soft sleeper train in Vietnam from Da Nang to Hanoi, and this is the tutorial video of how the train cabin looks. We are already late, about 1 hour 30 minutes to depart, but the staff was very helpful with minimal English to explain that the train's gonna be late. So I'm gonna put my shoes on and show you how the cabin looks. We expected similar or a little better than this, but this is decent. We got the most expensive package. We got the TV screen on board, air conditioner, 4 soft beds, which we paid a little extra to get the bottom seats. I'm gonna switch this around here. Well, so this is the train hallway. Some windows open. We got the water fountain, which is almost empty. Washroom and a bathroom. Not looking very clean, but so the price was 625,000 Vietnam dong per person, and supposed to take us from the center of Vietnam, which is the city of Da Nang, to Hanoi in about 24 hours. Tomorrow about 11 in the morning we should be there. So we're supposed to be sharing this cabin with 2 more people, but pretty comfortable with only 2 of us, so let's hope it's gonna stay that way. Thank you for watching.